It is Porsche night in Encinitas 2024. We're gonna show you some cars. 911 Turbo, this is my favorite. We've got new Porsches and we've got old Porsches. We've got 1969 Porsches, brand new Porsches, 993 Porsches.
Hello.
Hello.
This is so nice of you to host this every year.
Thank you.
Well, at least it seems every year. I don't know.
It's every year,
Okay.
every August.
Okay.
We do Porsches.
I brought my card. I was hoping to be carded.
Okay. We've got a 69 911E. It's actually, we put it on the street, it's for sale. 107 thou. Some really nice, this is Sid's 356. This car is worth checking out the inside. Totally custom interior, built by Sid. He usually does roadsters, like American roadsters, but if you check the inside of this car out, the rear seat's deleted. It's kind of converted into like a luggage look. Full custom seats. If he's around, I'd like to open the doors because this thing is really
You can open it.
cool. There's Sid.
You can open it.
Hey Sid, this is a factory Speedster seat. Sid took and totally redesigned and reformulated. And then this is all custom aluminum work down here that used to be all wood. This right here that's chrome is a stock 356 bracket just to work the luggage, the rear seat delete luggage. I mean, the inside of this car is just insane. This is a very nice car. Only close the door by the door handle. Let's check out this Speedster right here. Nice car. It's an original 57 Speedster. How long have you owned it?
His grandfather's owned it for 40 years. That's the grandson.
Okay, yeah. So his grandfather's owned it for 40 years. Are you the grandfather?
I'm the mechanic.
You're the mechanic? Nice. All right. Well, cool, man.
I restored it 21 years ago.
You restored it 21 years ago. Nice. How does it run? Perfect, of course. Absolutely. Who drove it here? Nice. How old are you?
16.
Okay, so you're like,
I'm getting there.
yeah,
Close. Yeah.
getting close. All right. No, this is a very special car. Very nice. Porsche GT3. These are always fun to look at. It's got PCCB brakes on it, so Porsche carbon ceramic brakes. Beautiful car. It's a 3.5 liter turbocharged. Looks very nice. Very nice. Here's my favorite car, 911 Turbo. I don't know what year it is. It's a 4-speed. Beautiful car though. Very nice car. You can notice the front fenders are much wider than stock. Same thing with the rear fenders, much wider than stock. It's a 356 with a twin plug on it. So you got 8 spark plugs, 2 coils. I bet this is like an old-fashioned hot rod. This is the car right here. This is basically a factory race car, a GT2 RS. This car is crazy. The carbon fiber scoops and the fenders, carbon fiber hood. This is the car where the front emblem is painted onto the car. It's painted. Very cool. This is like a bunch of turbos. There's a turbo here. There's that cream colored turbo over there, then the blue turbo. 911 turbos everywhere. Sometimes we get some American cars that sneak in here. This is Randy's car, 427. This thing sounds awesome. An old 911T, a 993 Targa. We got about 80 or 100 cars that have shown up today. There's cars parked on the street. There's got entire streets taken. The street in the front's taken. I love seeing all these turbos here. Some more 911s. Here's a GT3 RS. This is a factory race car. Also notice the emblem is painted on. I mean, check out this green, it's beautiful. If you get a chance to hear this blue Porsche ever around San Diego, this thing sounds nasty when it starts, like nasty good. It's loud, this blue one. It's got a 3.5 liter naturally aspirated. It was dynoed at 335 horsepower. It's nasty.
Well, I make him, wake him every night.
you're near, my body starts to shake. Every time you're near, my body starts to shake. Now I'm trembling, girl, and my whole world's gonna quake. Yeah, I'm aching, waking every night for you. Yeah, I'm aching, waking every night, it's true. Yeah, now it's 3 in the morning, mama, I need you.
That's Encinitas Porsche Night 2024. If you missed it, come out next year, 3rd Thursday of August.
Let me take you home tonight. Yeah, let me take you home tonight. Yeah, gonna give you my love. Yeah, you know I'm gonna treat you right. Yeah, I'm aching, waking every night for you. Yeah, now I'm aching, waking every night, it's true. Yeah, now it's 3 in